Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Let's see how we can solve these algebraic equations where we have 4 plus x to the power 4 equals 16. And I will consider the solution from here. So from the given question, we have 4 plus x raised to the power of 4 equals 16, where our 16 here is 4 2 to the power of 4, and here is 4 plus x raised to the power of 4 equals 2 to the power of 4. And suppose we cancel this 4 and 4. Here we have 4 plus x equals 2. And by making x the subject of the formula, you can see that our x here equals 2 minus 4, and this equals minus 2. So x equals minus 2 is one of the solution here, but the question says the power of 4, which means we get 4 answers. So let's see how we can solve all these for all the answers that satisfy this problem. From here we have 4 plus x raised to the power of 4 equals 2 raised to the power of 4. And by this, let's take this one here. We have 4 plus x raised to the power of 4 minus 2 raised to the power of 4 equals 0. Then from here, this 4, we can break it as 2 multiplied by 2, and here is 4 plus x raised to the power 2, then the whole of this also raised to the power of 2 minus 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power of 2 equals 0. And by this, suppose we have a squared minus b squared, this equals a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this is difference of 2 squared. So if our a is 4 plus x squared and our b is 2 squared, so by plug it in this, we have 4 plus x squared, then minus 2 squared, and all these in bracket, then multiply by 4 plus x squared minus, so a is plus, then this is minus 2 raised to the power 2, everything equals 0. So we have two cases to treat, so let's solve this one first. We have 4 plus x raised to the power 2 plus 2 raised to the power 2 equals 0. So we are coming to this also. So let's try to expand this. So by expanding this, we have 4 squared plus 8x plus x squared. So that is the expansion of this, plus 2 squared equals 0. And here we have our x squared plus 8x plus, so 4 squared is 16 plus, and 2 squared, that is 4, equals 0. So on getting to this stage, we have this as x squared plus 8x plus 20 equals 0. And then, so suppose 8 here, if I divide 8 by 2, that gives us 4. So let's say I add and subtract 4 squared from here. We have this as x squared plus 8x plus 4 squared, then minus 4 squared plus 20. So this equals 0. So let's combine these together. So the combination of these gives x plus 4 raised to the power of 2 minus, so the whole of this becomes plus 4 equals 0. And by this, we have our x plus 4 raised to the power 2 equals minus 4. So here we are going to take the square root of both sides. So by taking square root of both sides, we know this and that cancelled, and we have x plus 4 equals plus or minus square root of minus 4. And square root of minus 4, that is 2i. And we have x equals, let's take 4 to other side. We have minus 4 plus or minus, so this is 2i. So we have two solutions here, which is minus 4 plus 2i and minus 4 minus 2i. So let's see the other solution we can use to solve this. So from here, we have the other solutions which we are going to solve. So this is in the form of difference of 2 squared. So by applying that formula again, we have 4 plus x, so then plus 2, this in bracket, multiply by 4 plus x minus 2 equals 0. And from here, we consider it as x plus 6. So why this is, here becomes x minus 2 equals 0. So x plus 2 equals 0. Then we let x plus 6 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. So by that we have x plus 6 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals to 0. Then from here we have our x equals minus 6, or we have x equals minus 2. So these are the other two solutions that satisfy this problem. So we only got this one earlier, so we have gotten more other two. So we still have another one, which is x equals minus 4 plus 2i, and we have x equals minus 4 minus 2i. So here are all the 4 solutions to this given problem. I hope we learned something today. So we can just easily verify by a plug it in the given question, so both the real and the complex, so they are going to be equal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.